Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we create settings to Hamster Kombat Flutter application. Now we create folder models. Then we add nav model to models and create settings item data model. Create class settings item data model. Write final string image final string title settings item data model required this image required this title. Save. Then we create folder screens, folder home, settings, add home screen to folder home, then we create file settings screen, .art, create class settings screen extends status widget, add method build, add constructor, return scaffold, save. Then we write background color, colors black, save. Then we open home screen, open title info container, add widget gesture detector, write on top, write navigator dot push, write material page road, write settings screen, save. Now we create settings info screen, .art, write class settings info screen extends status widget, add method build, add constructor, return scaffold. Then we open settings screen, add up bar, then we write body and add content info, save. Then we add title content info, Then we add button content info. And we add switch content info. Import Cupertino. And then we open settings info screen. Write final. Write string. Title. Add constructor. And then we write final list settings item data model, write list items, add constructor, and we add languages and exchanges. Languages, exchanges, save, then we open settings info screen, add up bar, then we add background color, colors black, then we write body, add content info, add title content info, write string title, then we add list content info, and we add item content info. And we add list items, save, hot restart, and we open emulator and test our work. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.